You are all welcome. Text here may not suggest that you have assignment or we have assignment. Rather, it suggests that you can memorize them. If there's a word you don't understand, you look for the meaning in the dictionary and write them down. Okay? That's how to study. Okay, by so doing, you will learn more words. Okay? And here, topic, homonyms and homophone. Words that have same sound. Same sound. They have same sound. Okay? So, you hear how they sound. Rose. They sound alike. Okay? Let's go. Number one. Hair. Allowed, allowed. Et, buy, or buy. Foul, foul. Here, new, hour, night, not. Let's go. Number 11. Check. Boy, male, bird, ceiling, blue, bell, fair, meat, there. Well done. See you at another